প্রণবাশিস,
Yes, sir. Sir,
শুনতে
last
পাচ্ছো?
class में
আর ইউ এবল টু
হ্যাঁ স্যার
হিয়ার মাই
শুনতে
ভয়েস?
পাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি। Yes, sir.
সিরিজ কানেকশন উই ডিড না?
Sir, Z equals to Z plus ZS.
হ্যাঁ, দিস থিং উই হ্যাভ ডান ইন মাই লাস্ট ক্লাস।
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. We have to start from here. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
So, Sachin, you'd like to say something?
No, sir. Continue, sir.
Hello, sir.
Jogato?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Your
बोलो।
voice is cracking, sir.
Just a minute. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, कोई जगह में सुनाई नहीं देगा तो मुझे बोलना, हाँ? So, parallel connection of two-port network. Parallel connection of two-port network. So, Pranavashish, I'd like to ask you one question. What is parallel connection? What is parallel connection? What is parallel connection? See,
Sir, network is set up on
sorry.
Sir, two network is set up on parallel series, parallel connection.
Then? Okay, let me define what is parallel connection. Okay, when two circuit elements are connected in such a way so that the current through them are different, provided the value of both of these circuit elements are not same. Clear? And the voltage across both of these circuit element is same. मतलब दोनों एलिमेंट का थ्रू जो करंट जा रहा है वो अलग अलग होगा, और वो दोनों एलिमेंट का अक्रॉस जो वोल्टेज है, both voltages are same. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
See what is happening here. We can apply, if you apply the same concept here, and after applying the same concept, you'll be able to understand that here two linear passive network, that is R and S, they are connected parallelly. How? Let me investigate this thing with the help of current.
Sir.
बोलो सौगतो, क्या हो रहा है सौगतो? सचिन और प्रणवाशीष, तुम दोनों मेरा बात तुम दोनों को सुनाई दे रहा है? Is my voice is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
I think Sogoto is getting some network problems.
Yes, sir.
So here R and S, both of this network. Sogoto, you are facing some problem, I guess. Change your location. R and S two networks. This is R network and this is S network. They are connected in parallel with each other. How? See, there is the current which is called I1. This is I1. I1 is entering through this path. Okay. One part of I.
Hello, sir.
Yes. हाँ बोलो.
Hello, sir. Of the video, then I had a. Sir, video off करने से आपका voice clear सुनाई दे रहा है.
हाँ वीडियो ऑफ कर दो तुम्हारा. सुनाई दे रहा है अभी?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, so what is happening here? I1 का देखो दो पार्ट है, एक है IR1 and what is another component, Sachin, that is going in this direction?
Sir, IS1, sir.
Yes, this is IS1. So IR1 and IS1. So IR1 is entering into this through this path. फिर इधर से कितना करंट निकलेगा?
Sir, IS1.
No. Through here, through this circuit.
Sir, IR1 ही निकलेगा, sir.
As per the property of two-port network, huh?
Yes, sir.
Which current?
Sir, sir.
Pranavashish?
Sir, IR1.
Yes, very good. IR1. IR1 घुस रहा है. IR1 is also coming out. This is another IR1. This is IR1. अच्छा, through here, which current is coming out?
Sir, IS1.
At this node, IR1 and IS1 will be added
Yes, sir.
to each other. And again, this current is? This current is still, after getting added IR1 and IS1, the total current is? कितना होगा प्रणवाशीष?
Sir, IS1 plus IS2.
IR1
No,
plus IS1 will be added, and finally we'll get which current?
IR1.
This current. सब समझ में आया सचिन?
Yes, sir, आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
I1, and again
Yes, sir.
I1 will return back to the source. When I1 is coming out initially from the source, and I1 will be returned further to the source. Clear? इसका मतलब current is getting divided. Current is getting divided, and this is called parallel connection. Input side parallelly connected है, output side भी parallelly connected. Another thing is that as per the property of the parallelly connected network, I told you that if two networks are connected in parallel with each other, then the voltage across each of these networks are same. तो टू पोर्ट नेटवर्क का हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर? टू साइड्स, इसलिए इसका नाम है टू पोर्ट नेटवर्क, बिकॉज टू पोर्ट्स दे हैव, प्राइमरी साइड, सेकेंडरी साइड. ठीक है? दैट मींस प्राइमरी साइड का वोल्टेज, द वोल्टेज ऑफ द प्राइमरी साइड ऑफ आर, द वोल्टेज ऑफ द प्राइमरी साइड ऑफ एस विल बी सेम. The voltage of the primary side of R and the voltage of the primary side of the what? S.
Yes, sir.
Will be same. Can you prove this? Can you prove this thing? As I have already discussed this thing, so I believe whoever attended this class are already studied this thing. Sachin, as you attended my previous class when I taught this thing, so you are able to answer my question. My question is that prove that how we can say the voltage of primary side or side 1 of R linear passive network is equals to the voltage of primary side or side 1 of S linear passive network is equal to each other. Is my question is clear, Pranobashish?
Hmm. So please repeat, sir.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि दोनों पैसिव नेटवर्क जो है आर एंड एस, ये दोनों पैरेलली कनेक्टेड है। तो आर नेटवर्क का जो सेकेंडरी एंड प्राइमरी साइड, सेकेंडरी नॉट सेकेंडरी एंड प्राइमरी, यू कैन से साइड 1 एंड साइड 2। तो साइड 2 का वोल्टेज एस नेटवर्क का साइड 2 का जो वोल्टेज उसका साथ बराबर होगा। ओके, आई एम explaining this thing. So what is the voltage across the side 2 of R networks? Sachin, can you reply this thing?
Sir, I2, sir.
I am asking what is the voltage across side 2 of network R? Voltage, not current.
Sir, BR2, sir.
Same for network S.
Sir, BR2 ही है sir.
Network S.
Sir, S for VS2.
VS2.
Sir,
BS2, sir. It
Yes.
is not clear.
Can you here VR2 and VS2 and VR1 and VS1 are equal? Can you explain me why they are equal? See, this is VR2. VR2 appears across which nodes? Which point? I am marking. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
VR2 is the voltage between this line and this line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
VS2 is the voltage between this line and that line. Okay. Now see, this line and this line are shorted. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hence, they are regarded a same line, though they appear physically different. Similarly, this line and this line are also shorted by this. Hence, this line and this line are regarded one single line. That's why you can say VR2 and VS2 are equals to each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now same, I1 is equals to this is equals to IR1 plus IS1,
IS1.
which is further equals to, अच्छा I1 का formula क्या है? If we write the Y parameters equation, I told you to study this thing thoroughly. I1 and I2 is equals to what? Y11
So Y1, I1.
V1.
Yes, sir.
ঠিকঠাক পড়া হচ্ছে না প্রণবাশিস? Y12
Two.
sorry, whatever. Then Y क्या होगा? 21 V V1.
V1 plus
1.
Yeah, then Y22
Y1.
V2. ठीक है?
Yes,
So
sir.
we
Yes,
are doing
sir.
same here. I1 is equals to IR1 plus IS1 is equals to Y11R. देखो ये Y11 R and Y11 S. Y parameter is add हो रहा है into V1 into this V1 plus Y12R. ये देखो Y12 है, लेकिन इधर तो R और S दो नेटवर्क है, तो इक्विवेलेंट नेटवर्क पैरामीटर्स होगा Y12R plus Y12S into V2. Similarly, I2 is equals to Y21R. ये देखो I2 is equals to Y21 V1 था ना, तो 21 के बदले में 21 दो कंपोनेंट में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इधर दो नेटवर्क पैरेलली कनेक्टेड है. Y21R plus Y21S into V1 plus Y22R plus Y22S into क्या होगा, Y22 का साथ क्या रहता है, V2.
B2.
So I1 is equals to this. मतलब दोनों टू पोर्ट नेटवर्क जब पैरेलली कनेक्टेड रहेगा, उन दोनों को रिड्यूस करके अगर एक उसका इक्विवेलेंट नेटवर्क हम लोग को निकालना है, हाउ वी कैन डू दिस, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द y पैरामीटर्स ऑफ वन नेटवर्क एंड y पैरामीटर्स ऑफ अदर नेटवर्क, देन वी हैव टू ऐड द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग y पैरामीटर्स. मतलब 1 1 का साथ दूसरे का 1 1, 2 1 का साथ दूसरे का 2 1 एंड सो ऑन. दिस इज द थिंग. Next is cascade connection of two port networks. What is cascade connection, Pranavashish? Is you can see I am referring figure 7.7 to illustrate this thing. There is two network, two port, one is R, another one is S. देखो R का इनपुट क्या है, मतलब साइड 1 क्या है, दिस. उसका आउटपुट यानी साइड 2 कौन सा है,
Yes, sir.
दैट. देखो इसका आउटपुट यानी साइड 2 इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विद द इनपुट और साइड 1 ऑफ नेटवर्क
Yes.
S, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If output of one circuit
sir.
is directly fed or connected to the input of another circuit, then we can say they are cascaded or cascade connection. They are connected by cascade connection. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this proof, इसका proof करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You need to just know this thing. दोनों नेटवर्क यानी आर नेटवर्क और एस नेटवर्क, मतलब दो टू पोर्ट नेटवर्क जब कैस्केड कनेक्शन में रहता है, तो उसका जो इक्विवेलेंट नेटवर्क है उसका एबीसीडी पैरामीटर इज द मल्टीप्लिकेशन और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द एबीसीडी पैरामीटर ऑफ आर एंड एस नेटवर्क इंडिविजुअली. दिस थिंग ये तुम लोगों को याद रखना है. इसका मतलब we have done all the theories of cascade network of two port network. एक न्यूमेरिकल मैं करा देता हूँ, उसके बाद ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा. From the next day we'll start graph theory. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just give me some time. this problem. Are you able to see this numerical?
Yes, sir.
This is the circuit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for this network, you have to find out the Z and Y parameters. Is this network is perfectly visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the network given. From the figure, we can write the KVL equation. Okay, KVL equation. So here, in this circuit, this I1 current and I2, these are given already. These are given already. Okay.
Yes.
So they have considered here one current I3 is flowing through this 1 ohm resistance. Either say. Okay. So if this is I1, if this is I3, then this current must be I1 minus I3, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This current I2 ये given था already. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now this is I2 and this is 3I1 downward direction. So this current is I2 minus 3I1. See?
Yes, sir.
Now this current इधर से कितना current जा रहा है? सचिन, I1 minus I3 इधर
Yes,
से
sir.
कितना current आ
I1
रहा
minus.
है?
Sir, I2 minus 3I1.
3I1. तो इस नोड में आके क्या होगा? टोटल करंट ऐड हो जाएगा, माने I1 प्लस सॉरी I2 minus 2I1 minus I3. This is the current. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So with the help of this current, we are able
Yes,
to
sir.
find out KVL equation. This and this and this. V1 is equals to I3. Is this thing is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V2 minus 2I1 minus 4I1 minus sorry, V2, just a minute, which one is V2? Yeah, V2 is this. This is the V2. V2 minus 2I1. So minus 4I1.
2I1.
Minus 2I3. So which one is 2I1? Can anyone explain me? 2I2, sorry, 2I2. Can anyone explain me?
2I2.
Yes. It's very simple. If this voltage is V2, then what is the voltage? Then what is the voltage across this 2 ohm? V2 का across is 2 ohm resistance का across voltage is also V2.
Yes, sir.
So V2 is equals to जो करंट 2 ओम से जा रहा है, कितना करंट जा रहा है? 2 ओम से I2 minus 2I1
I2
minus
minus
I3.
2I1
तो इसका साथ
minus
2
I3.
मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, you will get V2 is equals to 2I2 minus 4I1 minus 2I3. So this is the current.
Yes, sir. 4I1.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir.
বলছি তো, বলেছি ক্লাবের জন্য কিছু তো পাঠায় নাই, বলে দিচ্ছি আপনাদের। Okay, we'll finish this numerical tomorrow. One important announcement. Bah, where is
Yes, sir.
Pranobashish? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Sachin, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, you know, already HOD sir has intimated you to send some names regarding the club formation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes. So give me some names as a position for president, vice president, secretary, and joint secretary and treasurer for the club, exclusively for the second year students, under the banner of environmental awareness, like this. Okay. I want some names
Yes, sir.
for this post from your batch.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
By what time I will receive? Already I have informed this thing to others, but till now I haven't received any name. So president, one name, vice president, secretary, joint secretary, treasurer. I want 5 name from your department, from your year, second year, that is. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sogato and Sachin, तुम लोगों से मेरा ये expectation है. By today evening I'll get some name. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just
Okay.
now I have finished.
Okay.
Sir, sorry, sir. I got disconnected.
It's okay. I'll explain this thing in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, I have not stopped the recording. The
Okay.
recording
Should
is
I'll
still
stop
going
it.
on, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll stop it.
Okay, okay.